Retargeting ads have increased our leads and clients by 30%. If you're not running retargeting ads, your leads will forget about you, or even worse, they'll go and work with your competitors. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, and in my videos, I break down exactly how you can set up retargeting ads to get more leads, and I think to get more customers. This will actually increase your profit. I've been doing this marketing stuff for the last 10 years, worked with over 2,500 brands. Not gonna bore you with that. You can always learn more here. But in just a second, I'm gonna share my screen, show you exactly how to set this up for your brand so you can get more leads turning into customers. Now, yes, retargeting ads are stalkerish, right? But they work because you want to make sure your leads never forget about you. Now, if you want to run through this and learn real quick, so I talk real fast, you can hit 1.5 on the speed, bump up the speed, and we'll get to the end. Let's not wait any longer. Let's dive in. Okay, so it all starts organically for me. I do podcasts and YouTube videos and then rank them on Google. For today's example, I'm going to show you a podcast that I did with my friend Hector. From there, you can see that we have over 12,000 views on this and 307 watch time hours. And this is called top of funnel. This is where we bring in our ideal customers. Now you can do this on Google Maps, SEO, social media, whatever way you're bringing in new leads to find you in the first place. That's where you want to start. From there, we go and rank it on a blog and it starts showing up on Google. From there, we plug it into our blog posts and then we embed the YouTube video. Now, if you want the full system that I'm breaking down right here, comment system down below and somebody from my team will send it over to you. Let's get back to it. All right, so after we do that, we use this software called Data Shopper. What Data Shopper does is it collects all the data from my website visitors, even if that person doesn't fill out a lead form. That way we can retarget them more accurately. When you go over to your Facebook ad manager here, it's only actually picking up about 40 to 50% of your visitors. So what you need to do is install something like Data Shopper to go see exactly the data, like if they sign up with their AOL, their Yahoo, it'll connect back to give a 90 to 100% accuracy. You can see that I'm maintaining a high rate of identified visitors for the reporting. Then what you're going to do is see exactly where they're coming from and which pages. Now I'm seeing that 42 people came from that specific blog, so I know I want to retarget them and remind them to come back and work with me. You can also see that they're coming from Google, organic, and even YouTube, Twitter, and Bing. So it helps you identify exactly where those people are coming from. Next, it shows you which pages that they visited, so you know exactly which pages that they were on your website. You can even see their income, their age, their gender, and where they came from. So you can see most of my leads come from Google and then YouTube as the second source. All right, now what do you do with all this data? That's the key. Now it's time to start retargeting. We retarget on X, Google, YouTube, Meta, Instagram, all the different channels, and even automation emails. So what we're going to see here is when I head over to my ad manager, after somebody visits my website, I set up this retargeting ad that basically says, hey, don't forget about me, come back to the site when you're ready. And what you want to do is set up a similar ad on every single platform. We have this ad on X, like I said, Meta, Instagram, Google, and even on those YouTube channels there. Now, once it's all said and done, you should start seeing an increase in active users because this data is going to plug back in. You can see that I had 29 purchases the last 30 days here. 10 of those came from retargeting. So those 10 probably wouldn't have signed up if they didn't hear about me. I average about 20 leads a month that actually purchase. So out of about 100 to 150 leads, about 20 purchase. Since I set up this retargeting ad, we bumped it up by 10 more leads there. So what are you waiting for? It's time for you to set up these retargeting ads. Use your videos like podcasts and long form videos to bring in a new audience. Set up blog posts, get them onto your website, install something like Data Shopper, and then you can start retargeting and showing your ads to everybody. When you go and look back in your events manager and you plug this data back in, you're going to see that you have 90 to 100% accuracy rate. So that way, you know you're retargeting the right people. So if you actually want to take action on this, there's a couple things you can do. You can go learn how to do all of this on your own. If you comment system down below, you'll be able to have my full training to go learn how to do this on your own. You can hire a freelancer on a freelance site that will overseas, that's really low cost, that can go and set all this up for you. Or you can work with a fractional CMO agency or hire your own company there. We're a marketing agency. We actually implement all of this for you. So if you ever need any help, reach out to my team. And if this video brought you any value, it'd be awesome if you subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn more about this remarketing and advertising stuff, check out this playlist here. It breaks every single system down so you can retarget with all of your leads. I hope to see you on my next video.